Our learning objective today is to learn to count in twos and recognise multiples of 2, 5 and 10. Key vocabulary today will be multiple, pattern, sequence. So what is a multiple? Well done if you said that a multiple is a number that can be divided by itself without a remainder. We're going to do some whisper counting. I'm going to count, I'll start off, but you're going to whisper the numbers that you can see in red. Are you ready? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Should we do that again? Let's try a little bit faster this time. Ready? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Excellent. Now you do it by yourself, but you just say it loud this time. So say the numbers in red loud. Off you go. Did you realise what we were doing? We were counting in twos. And if you look at the 100 square, you'll see that the numbers in purple are the numbers we say when we count in twos from 2 to 20. What do you notice about the multiples of 2? Yes, multiples of 2 end in 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Have a look at the 100 square again. What will be the next three numbers in the sequence? That's right, 22, 24, 26. As we said, multiples of 2 end in 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Look at the number 12. Is it a multiple of 2? It ended in a 2, so it's a multiple of 2. Let's look at number 19. Is it a multiple of 2? "19" ends with a 9, so it's not a multiple of 2. How about number 36? Is it a multiple of 2? Did you get 9, 11 and 13? Excellent. So the Year 1 red task, you're going to count in twos, see how many objects there are and write your answer in the red box. You can use 100 square to help you, but have a go and see how you get on. For this Year 1 yellow task, you're going to count on and back in twos. Have a look at the numbers on the snake and complete the pattern. Use your 100 square to help you, but be careful because some of the snakes are counting backward. For the Year 1 green task, you're counting in twos, but you've got to count how many eyes, how many feet, and how many hands there are altogether. Don't forget to include the hands and feet that are hidden. An extra challenge for the green task. You've got two pictures this time. The task is the same to count in twos. So count the eyes, the feet, the hands, and the hands and feet that are hidden. So Year 2, I hope your brains are warmed up. Have a look at the 100 square. What do you notice about the numbers that are highlighted in purple? These are the numbers we say when we count on in fives from 5 to 100. What do you notice about the multiples of 5? Multiples of 5 end in 5 or 0. Did you spot that? Well, let's look at these numbers in blue. Let's read them together. 24, 85, 60, 125, 346, 910, 2,870, 5,475, 36,780 and 48,482. Now, year 2. Can you tell me which of these are multiples of 5? Did you get these numbers? Well done. Multiples of 5 end in 5 or 0. So I want you to just think of a really big number and write it down. I can't see your number, but just write it down. Can you think of a number that's got 4 digits? Do you know, even with a number as big as that, you can still tell whether it's a multiple of 5 or not. So if it ends in a 5 or a 0, it's a multiple. So check your number now. I've got some numbers highlighted in purple on my 100 square. I've got 7, 12, 17 and 22. What will be the next 3 numbers in my pattern? Can you write them down? Did you get these numbers? What's the pattern? What will be the next 3 numbers? Well done. These are patterns of 5, but not multiples of 5. What do you notice about these numbers? So they are in the tens column, but they're also multiples of 10, and multiples of 10 end in 0. Look at the numbers highlighted in purple. Can you tell me what's happening? Excellent. The numbers are going up in tens. But could we say they are multiples of 10? Why not? Well done. Multiples of 10 end in a 0. But we can say that they are a sequence of 10. So for this year 2 task, I want you to find the next 3 numbers in the sequence. So have a look at the first 100 square. What will be the next 3 numbers? What pattern is it? Have a look at the second one. Have a look at the pattern and then complete the next 3 numbers. The last square, what's the pattern here? Can you complete the next 6 numbers? In the next task, we've got 2 activities. So in the first sheet, you've got to fill in the missing numbers, counting in 2s and 5s. And then the other one on the right, it's using money, but counting in 2s, 5s and 10s. So good luck with that, and until the next time. Now year 2, here's a challenge. And this challenge is about doubling multiples of 5. So you need to pick a multiple of 5 and double it. What's your answer? How many 10s is this? Now repeat it for different multiples of 5 and see if you can spot any patterns. Can you explain the patterns?